So today we are going to change the impeller out on my 2000 Moomba Outback, and the engine is nicely concealed under this clamshell cover, which is easy to access. You're going to want to use either a 5/16 socket or wrench or a flathead screwdriver to take the cover off of the impeller. Now when you take the cover off, there's a gasket on here. Make sure none of that gasket stays on the pump. You just want to make sure it's all there still. The new impeller does come with the new gasket. It is in there. Actually a pretty good looking impeller. The fins aren't even bent, so this must have been installed pretty recently before I bought the boat. This is the current impeller and this is the new impeller. Not a lot of difference. So since I bought the new impeller, I'm going to install it even though the current one is okay. I've heard a lot of people say you want to lube these with some Vaseline, so just put it on the vanes here. Help it go inside the boat. Here's a new gasket that comes with the new impeller, and this one just peels off. Make sure you just clean off your cover ahead of time, which I have already done. You just want to have this clean, and it can only go on one way. As you can see, this matches over a part of the pump. So then you just reinstall your bolts. It's real easy. And this is a foam gasket, not a paper gasket. So and you just retighten the bolts. And that's it. You've just changed the impeller on a Johnson crank mounted pump for Indmar 350 V8. This is a very easy impeller to change out. It's really easy to access. Just double check, make sure you got a good water flow coming out the exhaust. As you can see here, it's flowing really good at idle. And lastly, check around the pump, make sure it's not leaking there. Make sure that seal is real good. So if this video was helpful for you, make sure you like or comment below. Thank you.